I added lemon to the peach, and I made a wonderful dessert. For this recipe, we will need 800 grams of peach. I will be adding the juice of half a lemon. I'll be pulling out some peaches and reserving them on the side. The rest of the peaches I will be adding in the blender, putting 800 grams of condensed milk, 300 grams sour cream, the juice of half a lemon, and we are going to beat these ingredients very well. And people are already commenting to me, "What city are you watching us from?" And I'll send a super special hug to each of you who is commenting. I am now going to add 24 grams of unflavored gelatin to a container. Add 10 tablespoons of water to mix very well. To dissolve and then microwave for 15 seconds. Ready now, just add it to the blender. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Ava from Washington, DC. Thank you so much for always being with us. I thank you immensely. Now with that peach that we reserved at the beginning of the recipe, I'll be cutting it into cubes. This way is very easy and very practical. I will be using a 200 milliliters disposable cup in this recipe, but you can use any container to put this dessert. I'll be adding the peach cubes inside this way, and adding our dessert right from the blender. Now just put it in the fridge for 2 hours. And our dessert was ready, and it was perfect. Super delicious. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it. You can even make and sell it, so if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.